Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play live and let die on piano. We will begin by identifying the song's key signature, which is G major, and its 4/4 time signature. Next, focus on the iconic opening chord progression, starting with G major. Practice the left-hand bass line, playing a steady rhythm to establish the foundation for the verse. This initial step is crucial for building a strong musical base. Moving into the verse, you will master the distinctive arpeggiated pattern, often played with a broken chord feel. Pay close attention to the right-hand melody, which uses a simple yet effective motif. Then, transition smoothly into the pre-chorus, where the chords become more sustained. Focus on dynamic changes, perhaps playing the verse a bit softer and building intensity towards the pre-chorus for expressive playing. Now let's tackle the powerful chorus. Here, you will play driving, full chords, often in a more rhythmic, staccato style. The bridge section introduces a significant tempo shift, typically slowing down to a half-time feel. This change requires careful coordination between both hands to maintain the complex rhythm. Practice the bridge slowly at first, ensuring each note is precise before increasing speed. Finally, we arrive at the iconic instrumental break, where you will recreate the memorable melody, often played with a strong, clear tone. Following this, practice the dramatic, sustained chords of the outro, allowing them to ring out fully. The song concludes with a powerful, lingering feel. Remember to maintain a consistent tempo throughout the entire piece, ensuring a cohesive and impactful performance from start to finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.